letter to the South African Reserve Bank on the 28th of June 2022, asking specific questions about the evidence, prima facie evidence that was produced on Phalaphala farm. And we asked the South African Reserve Bank to confirm or deny if they have ever interacted with declarations from the sitting president about the millions of US dollars that were stored in Phalaphala. And we also asked if, as the institution that is responsible for foreign currency regulations, what has happened. And the Reserve Bank has not answered to that question.
Not just a letter that had come from Shivambu, a letter from a number of parties, and the response was exactly the same. Once we get any report of any possible violations of exchange control regulations, we engage with the particular party, I mean, whether it is an individual or a company, practice, not comment any of our investigations, because we do not want to undermine the investigations.